bubbles. Oh, there it just flew away.
There it is.
We're back at the conservation trail and we're going to walk on the wetland loop again today. What a beautiful sunshiny day. Blue skies, little puffs of white clouds, and a nice wide trail to walk on today. We've got our boots on the ground as we search for the elusive birds. It's a peaceful walk as we listen to the birds sing their praise. Really gotta watch where you're walking. We're headed on the wetland loop on the Golden Valley Nature Trail. It's this one here. We have a tree down and it's right across the path. This should be interesting. Have to find a way around this one after we go through the mud. Oh, the creek.
Oh, look at the water.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I don't know if we can.
Wow.
Okay, we're gonna get this on video, so if you follow, it'll be on video.
Oh, thanks a lot.
She made it, so I guess I can do it too. I'm gonna step on it. Whoa! We made it. Now we have to get back to the trail. Ooh. Got caught by a vine.
bush.
Sticker bush, okay.
We are in a sticker thicket.
Taking a break on a bench that was placed here just for us so we can look out on this pond. I'll show you in a second.
I'd like to bring a magnifying glass and see if we can see tadpoles or anything like that in the ponds.
Well, we do have our boots on. Where do you think I should look? I'm looking at where the tree is right now.
Well, you can look for if there are any bubbles or anything like that.
Okay, there's a bubble.
If there
Right.
are bubbles. They would be in here where all this stuff is, because they could hide. It might be too early.
Looks like we have another tree down here.
I think it's to the side of
Yep.
the path.
It is. Yep, yay. Thought we were gonna have to crawl underneath it, but we don't. Uh-oh, we're going up a hill.
We had this thing about uphill walks.
This part is very rocky and hard to walk on. But this part here is where we walked when it was water, and we walked on these stones to get across. But now there's no water, just mud. Some type of nesting box, perhaps, out here in the middle of this pond. She said that this geranium oil, you can put it in your shampoo before you wash your hair. You can put it in skin lotion. You can put it in the laundry, and it will keep all the ticks away from you. Firearms firing, single projectile permitted. I think we're gonna turn around. We just talked to a nice lady who was behind us on the trail, and she was heading the same direction that we are. She decided to keep going through that wilderness type looking. We decided to turn around and go the path that we know. We'll see if we meet up with her again.
We used to go fishing in these little creeks like this on farmland. My dad would know the farmers, and he'd take us fishing on the farm ponds. And
Did you catch anything?
oh yeah, we did. I didn't particularly like fishing. I liked the ponds, but I don't like to put worms on hooks or take fish off of hooks.
Yeah. And the hole is right on the branch. There it is. That is one big hole. Looks like a door. Must be Woody Woodpecker has his home in there.
Yeah, maybe.
Look. Oh my gosh, woodpecker. He's up on that limb right there. Right there.
This vine, and then there's a hole right there.
There it is up there. There it goes. Over there. How are we gonna get back that way?
I guess we're gonna go this way then.
Another beautiful shadow walk